Guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see, actually this is from comment only, like I got, sorry, I got comment like how we can create REST APIs in Python. Okay, so in which ways we can create like that REST APIs. So guys, we can create by fast API also, by using fast API also, and by using Flask also. Guys, we can create REST APIs. Okay, so what we will do, guys, we'll see now how we can create by using fast API, and how we will create REST API, and we will test that also in Postman. Okay, fine. So here, guys, this is my app.py file. Okay, so here only I will write my REST APIs. And guys, this is very easy API, so watch this video full, then only you will get, guys. And it is very easy, guys, so just watch it full video, and it is very sweet and short video. Okay, so let's start, guys. So what I will do, and one more thing is, you need to install fast APIs in your what I can say directory, or whatever the project name is there you need to install, guys. Okay, so whenever you open this project in your VS Code, just open here in terminal, and here just install your fast API. Okay, so after installing, it will not give you any error. Suppose if you are not installed, it will give error like this is not available, fast API is not there, and all like that error you can get, guys. Okay, so just install that fast API. Okay, then what I am doing, guys, I am from fast API, I will import what fast API only. Okay, so here I'm importing fast API. Okay, so this I have imported, guys. Next, what I will do, guys, here I will do app is equal to fast API. Okay, so this is instance I have created for fast API. Okay, what is happening here? So this you need to create, guys. You need to create an instance. It's not going back. Okay, fine. Then next, what I will do, guys, here I will take at app.get, and in this, okay, this is my root, I can change also. Right now I'll keep this only. Then later what we need to do, guys, see, guys, this is the root. Okay, this root we will use for our API testing and all, means whatever the API that will come here below this. And this is get API, so I have taken here get. If it is post API, you have to take here post. Okay, okay, this is get API. So what I will do, guys, here I'll write my function that is read underscore data. So what we will do, guys, we'll read some data here. Okay, read underscore data. And next what I will do is I'll return here. um, okay, in curly braces I have to take this. So here I'll write like this message, this is an REST API, like that I will write, or welcome to my REST API. Okay, so here why it is giving red color, means something error it is showing is. Okay, here I think I have forgot. Okay, you can see is here for message we need to give, it should be in double quotes, and this is also in double quotes. Okay, so this is my which API, this is my get API, guys. Okay, this is my simple API. So suppose if I go here in my postman, oh, first I have to run this. Okay, to run this, guys, we need to use this command, that is ubicon app. App means this name, guys. Okay, app colon app. Suppose if you have taken different name, for example, if here it is index.py, if it is there, then here we need to take index instead of this app, and this will be constant, guys. Okay, after this just enter here. Okay, when you enter here, I'll copy this. We'll check in browser as well. So this route, okay, the site can't be reached, like that I'm getting. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, here it is telling us I got import error. So what is error here, that I'll check first. Suppose, guys, if you're getting any error now, don't what I can say, I think how it is big error and nothing is, it will be small. So because, guys, here I have taken ef is small, so it was giving me error. Okay, it should be capital, and here also it should be capital. Okay, so this is fast step. I see now my error will go. Okay, now nothing is there. fine. See guys, error gone. If I go here, you can see guys, I got the response for this route it is okay, only forward slash. And if I check this same in my postman, you can you can see guys, I'm checking in postman here also I'm getting this correct response, that is welcome to my rest API. Here I have a spelling mistake. Okay, so this is one method guys. Next is what? Next we can write like this also guys. Suppose if you want particular data of particular what I can say ID, so that also we can do guys. For that what I have to do, just write here, give here path, I'll give here items, then here what it will come by guys, here my ID will come. So for ID we need to write like this guys. Okay, so here the ID will come, and this is my path. Okay, this is my second path guys. Okay, this is my first was where I will get this. Now whenever I will call this, I'll this below function it will get called guys. So here what I will write, here I'll take one function that is read underscore item. Okay, and here there will be, I'll explain this guys what it is exactly. Item is ID, sorry, abo is what, item underscore ID. Here is item, this only we have to take here guys. It is taking what I don't, okay, item underscore ID, then here colon, this should be int guys. Okay, means my item should be ints, and here is my q string, and right now it is null if it is. Okay, next what I will do here, I'll take like this, then I will return here what I have to return. If it is correct, I will return this item underscore ID. Okay, here I'll take my item underscore ID, whatever ID I'm getting. And next what I will do is here I'll take my query also. So query it will come in queue. Okay. Okay, so here how it is working guys, this is my root path for second function I can say. This is the path. Okay, so here this you can say this is my path, and this is item means it will be ID, for example 192nd to fourth, like that it is. Okay, so this ID here what we are doing is when we call this function, this ID whatever the ID will be there, that it should be integer. We are telling to that function it should be integer, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work like that. Okay, it should be integer. And q is nothing but what is, it is a query parameter. Okay, and q should be what, it should be string. Okay, and if nothing is there it will take none guys. Okay, if nothing is there it will take null value. And if something is there query parameter it will take that guys. Okay, then what we are doing, we are inserting this item ID in this item ID here, and whatever the query we are getting, that we are inserting in query. Okay, so how the response will be, we will get this response guys, means ID whatever the ID we are giving, that ID we will get, and whatever the query parameter we are giving, that we will get guys. Okay, so this example we will check in postman now. Okay, so I'll copy this path because I wanted this items. So I'll come here, I'll write here items. Okay, what I will do is I'll give you ID. Okay, it should be integer because I have written there. So you can see guys, I got integer. This I'm getting from here guys, item is integer and query is nothing, right? So what I have given, if nothing is there take none, so it is taking null none, one only guys it is. Okay, so for that, and suppose if I take here string, you can see guys what will happen. SDD has taken, I will take, you can see guys we got one error, that is 422 unprocessable entity, because this is wrong. So it should be number only. Okay, I'll take here 3 guys, then I will take here one query parameter. So query parameter we will write like this guys. Okay, so here I'll write infisc. So you can see guys, query parameter what we got, infisc and item ID is 3, means what is happening is, if item is integer, it will take integer. If query, but if it is nothing is there, then it will take null. If anything is there, it will take that only. Okay, it will not take null. If anything is getting, it will take. If it is not getting, it will take null. Like that, it is by default null, and if you're adding anything, it will take. Okay, so we are getting here in this case. So this is my JSON format, guys. Okay, means we are getting the output in JSON format. So like this, what you can do, guys, like this, you can create your REST API using fast APIs. Okay, and it is very easy method, guys. You can use fast APIs to create APIs and all. Okay, and it will save over most of time, it will ever save, guys, by using this APIs. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got how we can create REST APIs using fast API. You can use Flask API also, guys, but I have created using fast API. If you have any question regarding this, then guys, please comment in comment box. And if you are liking my videos, then like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.